entire series here now.
Yes, sir.
So handsome. Already you have finished that
So
part.
if you want to see, we can go backwards.
Please, you know,
Register with the mobile, they ask for selecting the location. So map में this is getting shown, you just select your location because it is automatically showing when you have registered portal. And you confirm the location. So the question is, what is the predominant material of the floor of the census house? So this is basically wood and bamboo. So we've selected that. Next, predominant material of the wall of the census house. So this put in.
okay, it is going to that.
So then predominant material of roof of the census house, it is machine made tiles. And then so next question is condition of the house, it is obviously good. So then we'll save and we'll go next.
Little wood or too wood?
But we don't have options. Head of the household, you are
I am fortunate, I got an opportunity to sit here and to be part of the census, you know. But Mr. Chaudhary, now you tell me my job.
all related to sanitation, cooking,
LPG,
ownership
electricity,
of electricity,
and ownership,
ownership of